Professional blogger and professor David Malter has designed a wonderful series of workshop outlines for your on-site training. We call them press play because they're ready to go right out of the box. What this means is you can print out a press play workshop outline, and a senior member of your staff, or you if you'd like to do it, will have all of the activities, discussion points, small group discussions, large group discussions, and other didactic information that's an important part of the topic. So the bullies and targets module, for example, comes with a press play workshop. That will include display of the video if your staff haven't seen it yet, as well as activities, discussions, role plays, and everything that your staff need to know to prevent bullying or respond appropriately when it happens. Now, we're in the course of designing some press play workshops for other video training modules. We've created about a half dozen, and if you've got ideas for what you'd like the next ones to be sure to email us info@expertonlinetraining.com. We'll pass along your suggestions to Professor Dave.